Hola, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title of today's video, I wanted to show you guys a nice affordable luxury headband wig that I have received from Luvme Hair. So as you know, headband wigs have kind of been very popular lately, and because it's a really good protective style. If you guys don't know, yes, I am natural. I have type 4 natural hair. Sometimes it isn't good for us to always be in our hair, manipulating our hair, and wigs for the most part are a decent option, right? But then it's like when it comes to regular wigs, then it's like you got to worry about the gluing, you got to worry about it melting into your skin, and sometimes people just do not have the time for that. To be perfectly honest with you, I feel like the convenience of having a headband wig is like phenomenal. I feel like everybody should own a headband wig because there's literally little that you need to do as far as preparation of your own hair, and that is why it's really convenient to have. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but me personally, the reason why I would choose a headband wig is just for the simple fact that it is convenient. Just for the simple fact that I don't really have to do too much to my natural hair. I can make sure my natural hair is moisturized, leave it in a ponytail, and that way it's not exposed to the colder months where your hair can actually have split ends because of the cold air outside. And then of course, when it's hotter outside, the humidity messes up our hair, and it's like we really don't have a win-win. So it's just nice and convenient for you to own a headband wig. That way you're able to protect your natural hair and then to also still look cute in the process. So Luvme Hair pretty much comes in this box, and I thought that it was really cute. I love the fact that it came with a bow. It's the little things that matter, you know? Now, when you open the box, you're gonna find a message from the founder, and inside the box, it actually comes with a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff that actually you would need whenever you are looking to put on your wig. Like literally, they give you the whole entire kit. So for one, it's going to come with the wig cap. There's actually 2 in here. I love when companies do this. They make sure that they send you a wig cap because sometimes you be feeling like you got one and you don't. So it's always good to just have extra just in case. Whenever you do order the wig, they're going to send you 5 free headbands. This specific one I actually got from the beauty supply store, so you could always go to your beauty supply store as well. But just so you know, if you do not own any headbands, whenever you order the wig, it will come with 5 of them. And as you can see, there's different colors here, so I thought that that was really cute. Of course, it's gonna come with the wig, which is already on my head. And the one thing that I loved that it came with this really cute little pouch. And when you open the pouch, when I mean to tell you, it has everything that you would need in here. I'm not even joking. So it does come with the wrap that you can use to lay down your edges. It also comes with this really cute Luvme Hair hairpin. So I thought that this was really cute. I actually don't own any of these, and I love when people do styles with these. So I really thought that was a nice little gesture because they don't have to do that, you know? It comes with this elastic band, which you guys will see that as I am styling my hair. The wig is pretty secure, but I will need to sew on this elastic band just for extra security to ensure that, you know, my wig don't go flying off nowhere. It also comes with some bobby pins, and I feel like every girl should have some bobby pins, but if you don't, they got you covered. It comes with that as well. It comes with a tweezer, which I really thought that that was cute. Like nobody ever really thinks to put a tweezer inside their hair box, especially whenever you order like lace front wigs and stuff like that. They don't give you stuff like that. So I really thought that was cute just to have. It also comes with this edge brush, which has the brush and the comb on the end. Whoever does the marketing for Luvme Hair, or whoever is in charge of putting the boxes together, you get 10, sis. You get 10s because this box literally comes with everything that I feel like a girl will need. Especially, let's say you're traveling, you have everything here, so it's perfect. So like I said, everything came in this pouch here too, so you can keep everything in here. That way you don't lose anything, and it's just like a really nice gesture overall. So as you're gonna see in the video, I styled my hair a bunch of different ways for you guys. So the first style that I did is obviously I wet the hair, I brushed it out because I hate like the harsh curls that sometimes the hair comes with. So this just helps it to make it a little bit more natural. And I also put a little bit of mousse in it from Shea Moisture just to set it, and I love the way that it came out. The curls are so freaking nice. Like the hair is nice. There wasn't that much shedding at all. There was only shedding after the initial brush out, but after that, like if I run my fingers through it, there's no shedding at all. So I really love that. So the first style that I did is obviously just, you know, putting it down nice and regular. And like I said, I just used water and some mousse. The second style that I did a half up, half down, which obviously is optional. You can wear it a bunch of different ways, which is actually cute. If you don't want to wear your hair down, or if you don't want to wear all of it down, you can style it in different ways that's more suitable to you. So I also did the half up, half down, which I thought was really cute. I did a ponytail, so if you want to put it up in a ponytail, you can do that as well. And I also did the messy curly bun as well, which obviously is really cute. So it's like you how convenient this headband wig is, then I don't know what to tell you. Like, honestly, I really feel like this is probably going to be my go-to wig for a while, because as much as I love wigs, I don't be feeling like doing all of that. So it's just really simple, and that's the most convenient thing about it. It's just so simple, so easy to do. You don't have to be skilled. It's just a 1, 2, 3 type of thing, and you're out the door. If you're looking for something that has low manipulation but you can still get a really cute look, I would definitely recommend Headband Wig, especially from Luvme Hair, mostly because obviously the hair is bomb, we can all see that, but because they put time and effort as to how they package their box and just make sure you had everything that you need. And I really feel like that's a good gesture. I really love this hair, you guys. Like, I can't get over it. Like, this hair looks really bomb. It's just convenient, it's easy, it's simple, and it protects your hair, which is the most important part, and you still look cute. So if you're interested, please make sure you check out all the information in the description box. I will have it at the top of the description box for you guys. I would definitely recommend Luvme Hair. They have nothing but positive reviews, and like I said, not only are you getting the hair, but you're going to get some headbands, you're going to get an edge brush that also comes with the comb as well, you're going to get a really cute pin, you're going to get some wig caps, you're going to get some tweezers. Like, it's like, what more can you ask for? So yeah, make sure you check out the links in the description box. I will have everything listed there for you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative enough. So yeah, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up if you found that it was helpful, and I hope you guys go ahead and purchase this hair, because this hair is cute and it's perfect for the summer, and you might want to go ahead and do it before it gets sold out. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.